Every time you tap an app on your phone, it feels almost instant. But behind that single tap, thousands of operations begin in just a fraction of a second. Let's see what actually happens. Your touchscreen detects the exact point where your finger touches. That touch is converted into an electrical signal and sent to the phone's processor. Now your phone knows exactly what you touched. The operating system, or OS, receives the tap event. It recognizes that you've requested to open an application and begins the launch process. Think of the OS as the manager that coordinates everything inside your phone. Next, the OS locates the app you selected. It identifies the correct application package and prepares everything needed to start it. Now it knows exactly what needs to be launched. Most of the app isn't already sitting in memory. Instead, it's stored on your phone's SSD or flash storage. The OS begins reading the app's executable, libraries, and assets from storage. The data needed to start the app is loaded into RAM. RAM is much faster than storage, allowing the processor to access the app quickly while it's running. Now the operating system creates a new process for the app. A process is simply the running instance of a program. This gives the app its own protected space to execute safely. Next, the OS prepares the resources the app needs. It sets up memory, creates threads, and schedules CPU time so the app can begin executing. Everything is now ready to start running. The app begins building its user interface. Buttons, menus, icons, images, and layouts are prepared to create the screen you'll soon see. The graphics processor, or GPU, renders the first screen. It draws all the visual elements and sends the finished image to your display. This is the first thing you actually see. Some apps need information from the internet. If necessary, the app connects to online services through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Not every app needs this step, but many do. The app downloads any additional data it needs. This might include your messages, social media feed, account information, or the latest content from a server. With everything prepared, the app is now fully loaded. The interface is complete, and everything is ready for you to use. Now you can tap buttons, scroll, type, watch videos, play games, or do whatever the app was designed to do. From your perspective, it all feels effortless. So what actually happens when you open an app? A single tap triggers the operating system. The OS locates the app, reads it from storage, loads what it needs into memory, creates a process, prepares resources, builds the interface, renders the first screen, and, if needed, connects to the internet to fetch data. All of that happens in just moments, making your app feel like it opens instantly. The next time you tap an icon, you'll know there's an incredible amount of work happening behind the scenes. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the BitFlow, where we turn complex technology into simple visual explainers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.